7 Small Daily Habits to Stay Healthy Without Extreme Dieting. Have you ever wondered why your body often feels tired, bloated, or sluggish, even when your diet isn't that bad? Sometimes it's not about the food you eat, but about the tiny daily habits you don't pay attention to. Today, I'll share with you 7 simple habits that anyone can start practicing. You don't need to hit the gym every day or follow any strict diets. Just by making small changes in your everyday routine, you can help your body become healthier, stronger, and more balanced, without stress or restriction. Drink water the right way at the right time. Start your day with a glass of warm water. It helps flush out toxins, kickstart digestion, and gently wake your body up. Throughout the day, drink enough water, about 1.5 to 2 liters, but avoid drinking too much during meals, as it can dilute digestive enzymes. Instead, drink water 30 minutes before or 1 hour after meals. Prioritize warm or room temperature water with lemon or mint, and limit sugary or carbonated drinks. Don't sit too long. Stand up every 30 minutes. Sitting for hours straight, whether you're working or studying, can slow down your metabolism, affect blood circulation, and lead to back pain or fatigue. One simple fix? Follow the 25-5 rule. For every 25 minutes of sitting, take a 5-minute break to stretch or walk around. This keeps your energy flowing and helps your brain stay focused longer. Eat slowly and chew properly. Simple but powerful. Yes, you've heard it before, but have you really practiced it? Eating slowly gives your digestive system time to produce enzymes and sends your brain proper signals when you're full. Fast eating can lead to overeating, bloating, and poor digestion. Try chewing each bite 20 to 30 times, and avoid eating while scrolling on your phone or watching TV. Mindful eating equals better digestion and less mindless snacking. Eat fruit at the right time. Fruit is healthy, but timing matters. Eating fruit immediately after a heavy meal can cause fermentation, gas, and bloating. It's best to eat fruit 30 minutes before meals, especially in the morning or as an afternoon snack. Choose easily digestible fruits like apples, oranges, bananas, or watermelon, and avoid high-sugar fruits like grapes or durian right after eating. Sleep on time and no phone before bed. Sleep is the foundation of health. Lack of sleep messes up your hormones, increases cravings, and makes your body store more fat. Try to sleep before 11 p.m., as this is when your body enters its deep repair mode. Also, avoid using your phone or computer at least 30 minutes before bed. Instead, listen to calming music, read a physical book, or write down 3 things you're grateful for. It really helps ease your mind. Eat more vegetables daily. Vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that improve digestion, protect your heart, and support your skin and immune system. Aim to have at least 1/3 of your plate filled with veggies at lunch and dinner. Go for dark green options like spinach, kale, or broccoli. Not a fan of cooked veggies? Try blending them into smoothies with fruit and honey. Easy, tasty, and full of nutrients. Don't rush it. Start small. Build steady. You don't have to change your entire lifestyle overnight. Pick just 1 or 2 habits to focus on each week, like drinking warm water in the morning or eating fruit before lunch. Gradually add more over time. After a month or 2, you'll be surprised how different you feel. Stronger, lighter, and more in tune with your body. Final thoughts. Health isn't a race, it's a lifelong journey. These tiny habits may seem simple, but when practiced consistently, they can lead to massive change. Start loving your body through small daily actions, because when your body feels good, everything else gets better too. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need these reminders.